Hello everyone to the car accident situation. Wow, this car is being driven by a highly skilled driver. Is it a car or a water tank? Very bulky, but still perfect. Oh, the brain, but only know how to run. This pickup had trouble pulling a bulky box behind it. Oh my gosh, the car was buried in the dirt. A crazy car out of control. The walk with a weak motor. Worker with a helpless expression. Two large trucks are towing. It pulled a car that had fallen over the cliff. Oh, too bad. The wire broke and it fell again. Don't love each other that way.
Money do you have?
Crazy car running at high speed. Painful fall for vandals. Paint slipped all over the road. A striking yellow color, and that man. The girl who crossed the fence got a coat hanger. Let's swing down. The mud truck is being disassembled by this man. Let's go out. Weird car in need of repair. Two cars collide on a fast-moving road. Strong collision.
They really captured her.
Oh no! The truck carrying those cars has a problem. When it comes to a turn, you should slow down. Very dangerous. Car repairers need to ensure work safety. Oh, gluttony car. We see a bad driver in this video. This couple is up to something. This guy is calm. Wow, a large school of fish was released. The goods were tilted on a car, and when I opened the door, the driver needs to take the car to the garage for repair. How could it be stuck down there? The car has a problem with the front wheel. The driver is panicking. What's that? Why did the excavator driver push the truck over? The two cars parked behind taught the driver who parked in the wrong place a lesson. Just a second of neglect to lose the drone. This girl went down the stairs in a strange way. The car is very close to the potted plant. This car is pulling something under the seat. Oh, it's a car. Bad prank for the truck. Surfing ashore. Dropping objects on the road like that is very dangerous, huh? A terrible windstorm. The truck was successfully turned over, but the car on it was not. The girl crawled up from the sewer. The car is muddy on the freshly poured concrete.
No.
The woman sitting and watching the scene, she spilled the bottle. The car lost its way. A funny design for car steering wheel. Cars rioting at the gas station. Crossing the slopes in the desert. Here, the woman opening presents. Oh no, money flies with that balloon. A car is emitting a lot of smoke on the road. Today's party is over. The car moves on the flooded road. It fell into the hole. It is very dangerous for the car to fall into the fast-flowing water. This driver is so careless, right? Funny man. Wait, what's wrong with that car? Two fast cars at high speed are rewinded.